welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have a quick charger to review for y'all today. Alright guys, so this is a quick charger. It's 30-watt dual port fast charger, foldable pins. It's a smart recognition chip, supports multiple fast charge protocols, automatic pressure load monitoring. So let's go ahead, unbox this bad boy and show you guys what it looks like. I will admit this is actually my second one. We have another one that I absolutely love and I use all the time. Actually, I use it down here for my recording studio. It charges our GoPro that you guys see right now. And I wanted another one for up in our office. So let's go ahead and show you guys here. So guys, this is what it looks like. You got a Type-C and a USB port. Power plug flips out, flips in. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys here right now. This is the other one that we use. So we got a white one. Actually, we might have to get another one because I think I want to use it both down here. Check this out, guys. So right in here, this is how it looks. Both come with an LED light on the side right here. Man, I love this. I think I'm actually going to keep these down here and go ahead and get another one for upstairs. And then this, you plug in your Type-C in here. So on each one, you have a USB and Type-C. And that, we're charging our phone, rapid charging. I can go ahead and show you guys right here on our phone as it sees rapid charging. And guys, how can I forget? They give you these really cute little stickers. Pretty awesome, guys. I love that.